Hello, Lee's Summit. The Gutter Guys are your local experts in gutter guard installation, ready to enhance the safety and functionality of your home. Lee's Summit homeowners know that Missouri weather can be tough on homes. That's why we offer gutter guards designed to protect your property from heavy rainfalls and the debris they carry with them. Our Lee's Summit team is dedicated to providing you with gutter guards that not only protect but also enhance the look of your home. Choose the Gutter Guys for the best in home protection. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping. Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time. By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards. Thank you, Lee's Summit, for trusting the Gutter Guys. Remember, for gutter guards that stand the test of time, we're your go-to experts. Protect your home with us today.